Hey, how you doing? Garage Door Mike. We got to do a part 2 of this one. So basically, I threw a come along on here because this thing's humongous. 18 by 8. It's got 5 3-inch struts, 18 foot. So we come alonged it to the horizontal track, and I'll show you what we did here. First, I'll show you the pipe close up now because the door is down. You could see it's just in half, and the other half is kind of wedged right there on the bearing. Couldn't tell you how. I think this might have happened because maybe the bearings were just pulling one way, or they never got oiled. It was a bad pipe. I don't know, but I can tell you one thing. This doors were put in 2005. I've never been back here once to oil them, not even one time. So basically the door was jacked in the opening. We had a bunch of vice grips. You could see all the vice grips right down there on the floor underneath that ladder. It's like six pairs of vice grips. Vice gripped it all up over there. Then we come alonged it. And what I did, since the pipe was hanging barely on a thread, I didn't want it to come one way or the other, so I put a split collar right. Let me see if I can get this with the light. There we go. I put a split collar right there on the right, and then a winding plug here on the left, so it wouldn't go either way. And then basically come alonged it to level it out, put this winding cone on, wound it up about 2-3 turns, put the cable on, because I was able to wind it, because obviously it came unwound, because it's basically like a self-winder now with 2 independent shafts. So basically that's what it was. That's why the cable came off once the bar ripped in half. This side, for whatever reason, held tension good, and that's why we put that long wheel in, because that section was out. Where's that wheel at? Down here on the ground somewhere? There it is. There's the old wheel right there. I just kicked that out of the way. Someone leaking oil. 295 wire. These are from 2005, so we're probably going to ask or explain to the homeowner that it's now a good time to replace those springs with the pipe when we come back here, and probably this 8-foot track too. This thing is kitty wampus pretty bad. So we'll get a new track, new springs, new pipe. I'll probably put in like a beefier center bearing, I guess, some big fat thick commercial ones, and we'll do a part 3 to this video. So that's how we got it down. Come along, split collar, and then we used the winding plug to wind the spring up when I couldn't get to it. Wound it up 3 turns, put the cable on, dropped the vice grips off, and just come alonged it back down nice and easy. It kind of moved the kitty wampus a little bit, but other than that, good to go. We'll go on the outside here for all your garage door needs. Innovative Door, 632-719-9343. www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. Thank you for watching our video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our part 2 video of the ripped 18 by 8 coachman door shaft. Happy New Year.